Hey guys, I'm Tanizi. Welcome back to my channel. So I picked 3 items from my closet that I'm going to be styling in 3 different ways, just to give a little inspiration of how to style regular items from your closet. I know we all like the hauls, but sometimes it just feels a lot when you're always buying things. It's good to try to match things from your closet. It will also help to save you money, and nice to have pieces that you can pair in different ways instead of always reaching out and trying to buy more stuff. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first item is going to be these jeans that I bought from Shein. I think I bought it like sometime last year during the summer. I think I was going on vacation and I picked it up. I absolutely loved it. I've only wore it once, and I styled it with a denim top the last time I wore it. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you can see how I styled it. But this time around, I think I'm gonna try to style it in something else. I'm gonna try to style it with other colors and play around with it and see if I can get more wears out of it, because it's just been sitting in my closet and I haven't really used it. Look at the prints on this, it's so freaking cute, and I think this is is gonna be the center of the outfit. So let's see what I got. This is the next piece of item that I'm gonna style. I got this burgundy top from Shein, and I saw it a lot on TikTok Shop. It's leather, and the last time I wore it to church, and I styled it with a burgundy skirt. A lot of people thought that it was a set actually, but it wasn't a set. I just paired them together in a monochrome way. But this time around, I want to try to see if I can style it with something else and see how it would turn out, because I do like this top and I do think I could make multiple use out of it apart from just wearing it as a set. So let's see what we do. For the next one is this blazer top. I'm not sure what it's called. It looks like a blazer, but it's like short sleeve, so blazer top, whatever you call it. I love this top. I got it from Shein. I have not worn it yet because the tag is still on it, and it's just because I don't know, I haven't really figured out how I'm gonna style it yet. But I was thinking more of a skirt or pants, like to wear by itself. I'm loving the collar on it. It has like a little bit of shoulder pad up in the arm area, so we'll see how I'll style it. It only has one button, so I'm really excited to see the different ways that I can style this and wear it. I know that the possibility of this is limitless because of the color, which I really love, so we'll see. Well, that's it guys. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for your support, your likes, your comments. I see each and every one of your comments. I really appreciate you guys coming along with me on this journey. It's such a lot to be able to put yourself out there and actually push yourself to create content. Is really hard to stand in front of the camera I keep saying it, but it's actually nerve-wracking for me. But I love that you guys come on here and just encourage me and support me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.